This is fit for a 2017 and beyond Land Rover Discovery with a factory installed flush and raised side rail hybrid. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. This system includes the AeroBlade load bars with integrated feet. This front position is part number 7604B. It has usable bar space between the feet of 38 inches. It connects to the front portion of the raised side rail using Fit Kit number 4080. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 30 inches from front to rear, center to center. That distance is variable along the length of the side rails. This rear bar position is the 7603B, having 36 inches of usable bar space between the feet. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our website for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.